Slimming veggie scallops using king oyster mushrooms. I have 6 king oyster mushrooms cut out already to create different dishes. Today we are using the bottom parts of the stalks to create our vegan scallops. These are quite woody and tough, so they need to be marinated for a little while. And for the marinade I'm using 2 teaspoons of cold pressed sunflower oil, any other oils will do, 2 teaspoons of coconut aminos, tamari and soy sauce or soy sauce can be used instead. I'm adding a little bit of parsley as it is not too overpowering. Then a pinch of dry garlic and a pinch of white pepper. Also a little small piece of seaweed. I have some Dulce here to give a hint of seafood taste. Very slight hint, not too much. So you just need a tiny little piece. Mix very well. And now place the king oyster bottoms in the marinade and mix all together so they all can absorb the liquid equally. Cover them and let them marinate for at least 1 hour up to maximum 8. 2 hours have passed and they have absorbed the sauce nicely. In a frying pan, I'm adding 20 grams of unsalted butter, but any other fat would be alright. I'm adding in the veggie scallops, and I'm going to cook them at medium to high temperature for 4 to 6 minutes. And then I turn them over and I will cook for another 4 to 6 minutes. Add the lid if you have one. And that's it. They're all done. They are still firm but juicy, very good texture, crispy from outside but soft inside, very savory, and there is that slight hint of seafood, which is not overpowering at all, which is just perfect for these vegan scallops. Here I'm serving them with some Brussels sprouts that I made earlier. I will attach a link in the card and in the description. So it's so delicious and so filling and super light, and it's perfect for any type of diet. Thank you very much for watching.